Hello dear students, this is the question number 7 of exercise 13.1. The question is, suppose 2 kilogram of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kilogram of sugar? Very easy question. So first part, as the weight is increasing, 2 kilogram से 5 kilogram होगा, so number of crystals also increasing, so it is the direct proportion. Okay, so just write down, it is in direct proportion. And why, आप खुद चेक करो. if 2 किलोग्राम में 9 into 10 raised to power 6 क्रिस्टल है, एंड इफ द नाउ वेट इज इंक्रीजिंग, सो क्रिस्टल्स भी क्या होंगे उसमें, crystals also increasing, so this is the direct proportion. Now make one table, just draw it. First of all, just write down here weight of sugar. Okay, and here the second is number of crystals. Done. Now after that, two kilogram. So here the quantity is given in kilogram, and the number of crystals are 9 into 10 raised to power 6. After that we have to find for 5 kilogram. So 5, and let this quantity is number of crystals are x. So here let number of crystals in 5 kilogram is equals to x. Now use the formula. What is the formula? x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2 for direct proportion. This is your value of x1, x2, because it is the x component, and this one is y1 and that is your y2. So put the value here. 2 upon 9 into 10 raised to power 6 is equals to 5 divided by x. Now cross multiply. 2x equals to 5 multiply 9 into 10 raised to power 6. So x equals to, ये 2 कहाँ आ जाएगा, डिवाइड में. 5 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2. Okay. Now 9 into 5, 45, divide by 2 into 10 raised to power 6. If you solve it, you will get 22.5 into 10 raised to power 6. And we have also studied, if you want to write in standard form, तो point कहाँ आ जाएगी, after 2 only. So this is एक पावर इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. So answer is 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7. This is your answer. Okay, so here you can write number of crystals in 5 kilogram sugar is equals to 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7. Now move to the B part. So again we have to find number of crystals in 1.2 kilogram of sugar. Clear? So let number of crystals in 1.2 kilogram sugar is equals to, first let x किया था, then now let y. Clear? Same table. Weight of sugar, number of crystals, 2, 9 into 10 raised to power 6, because it is given in the question. And now we have to find for 1.2. So here 1.2 and here y. Same formula, it is also in direct proportion. Because as the weight is decreasing, weight क्या हो रहा है, decrease, so numbers also decreasing में आएंगे. So use the formula x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon, this is your x1, x2, y1, y2. So put the values. 2 divided by 9 into 10 raised to power 6 equals to 1.2 divided by y. Now cross multiply. 2y is equals to 1.2 multiply 9 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, so now y is equals to 1.2 into 9 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2. So point remove 20, cut करो, y is equals to cut with 2 6 and this is 10. ओके तो ये आ जाएगा 54 डिवाइड बाई 10 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 6. 10 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा 5.4 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 6. ओके चेक कर लो, डिक्रीज ही हो रहे हैं नंबर्स. सो हेयर यू कैन राइट नंबर ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स, sugar crystal in 2 kilogram sugar is equals to 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. This is your answer. Okay, now move to the question number 8.